guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, cause I know
Assalamualaikum. Look at this, Nazreen. This is Abdul Hadi, and Abdul Hadi done very good job. इसने ये letter matching की है. This letter capital letter and small letter matching. Very good, Abdul Hadi.
Thought I
Good.
knew you, but I barely